What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a quick look at Matic here, and as you can see, Polygon looking really good right now. Obviously, zooming out, you can see quite clearly this massive run up followed by this huge coiling pattern that we have seen for a good while here inside of the pennant. And we are finally starting to see a bit of a breakout here. You can see here coiling into the apex. We did finally get the breakout to the upside. We had those two descending wedges that we saw with the first crash and then obviously the big run up. We had that ABC correction in September with the W double bottom. We come back up into this little bit of a range that we formed here. Consolidate for a while in and around the 050. And then you can see here quite clearly, we run all the way up to the 618. We coil in another smaller pennant in and around this area. And then we finally got the breakout and the back test of that wider pennant. We break out, back test, we come all the way up to around, what was it, 222? And then we did get the rollover to retest that previous swing high. And then as you can see here, we did have a little bit of a pennant here, but we actually broke down to the downside rather than the upside. And you can see here with obviously with Bitcoin having a decent correction over the past few days, we did come back down looking for a nice bit of support. And where did we get it? Pretty much to the exact cent on the 618 there. Really pull it. I mean, look at this chart. This is absolutely ridiculous chart to even look at. It's come down pretty much to the exact cent at 153 on the 618 there for the bounce. If anyone put a long in there, congratulations, that you've literally caught the bottom exactly there. And you can see quite clearly the bounce since then has been pretty nice, all the way up from around 153 back up to 172. Just back testing a bit of support there, and you can see quite clearly that this is just to the exact cent. It's just absolutely crazy to see. Fibonacci levels are obviously really confluent for a lot of reasons on charting, especially in crypto because it's so volatile. And you can see here we've come down, we've back tested support really nicely. And what you probably want to see now is, maybe a bit of sideways action, maybe just a little bit of a range to, get some support, a bit of structure back in the chart. You can see here as well, we're getting back down towards, fair value on the RSI. Histogram's obviously in the floor as well. So you're probably predicting a little bit of a, sideways action, we would say, for Polygon, just to regain its bearings before making its way back to the upside. But really good to see it fully retesting this 618 because we never really retested it after this big move up to the upside. We obviously came up, we back tested here on the next day, but we ran all the way up and we didn't actually retest at any of these points here. But we have actually got that retest now, which makes us feel like we could actually have a bit of continuation here with decent structure, which is much better to see than just a parabolic curve and then a huge dump like this. So overall, we'd say Polygon looking pretty decent here. Probably what we want to see now, as we said, a little bit of a ranging motion, maybe coming back down, retesting this again, and then getting a bit of a ranging motion in and around and between this 180 level, something like this, and then obviously picking back up through our Fibonacci's up towards that 222 level again, and then obviously up towards the all-time high at around 270. So we'll keep things short and sweet and do short-term price predictions. You can see here quite clearly that obviously if we roll over to the downside again, we are looking at that 153 level at the 0618 before we do get that bounce to the upside like this. Obviously retesting that pennant as well would be a deeper correction and a very large bounce in our opinion. But obviously, as we can see, if we do start to move up again, targeting that 180 level up towards that $2 level in and around the 078, and then that 222 level will be the next target before the all-time high. And then going into the remainder of the bull run, we do really think Polygon $5 to $10, very possible and probably even likely considering how good this project is. And we really do think it's going to continue to perform extremely well going into the future. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.